In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Klaviyo email, a useful skill that can significantly enhance the engagement of your email campaigns. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you will first need to have the video URL ready. This can be from popular hosting platforms as YouTube, TikTok, or Vimeo, to name a few. So simply find the video you want to include and copy its URL to your clipboard. Having this prepared beforehand will streamline the process and save you time later on. Next, navigate to the Klaviyo platform and log into your account. If you haven't set up your Klaviyo account yet, take a few moments to do that before proceeding. Once logged in, direct your attention to the main menu and click on Content. This is where all your creative assets and templates reside. Now that you're in the content section, search for the templates option and click on it. You'll be presented with the various templates you've created or have access to. Select the one you wish to edit by opening it and hitting Edit Template. If you're starting fresh, feel free to design a new template according to your campaign needs. In the email editor, look to your sidebar and find the video block. Click and drag it into the area of your email where you'd like the video to appear. This drag and drop functionality in Klaviyo provides a flexible and user-friendly way to customize your emails. With the video block now in your email template, it's time to paste the copied video URL into the designated video URL field in the settings of the block. This link serves as the bridge to your video content, making sure your recipients have access to it. For those who use YouTube as their video host, Klaviyo conveniently detects the video's thumbnail automatically. This neat feature, however, is only supported with standard YouTube videos and not with YouTube Shorts. If your video is hosted on a different platform or you're using YouTube Shorts, you'll need to manually select and upload an image to use as the video's thumbnail. With the thumbnail set up, you have the option to customize the video's appearance within the email. In the Styles tab, explore options like toggling the play button and adjusting the block's padding. These small tweaks can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your email. Finally, once you've embedded and styled your video, keep in mind that when recipients open your email, they'll see an image resembling a video player. Upon clicking, they'll be swiftly redirected to a web page where the video will play automatically. This seamless transition ensures a smooth user experience while keeping your emails clean and engaging. And with that, you've successfully added a video to your Klaviyo email. This enhanced feature can increase engagement and interactivity, giving your audience more reasons to click and explore. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your future campaigns.